In the description, you'll also find a special sign-up link for Shopify. Make sure you use this to save yourself some money. You'll get a 3-day free trial and 3 months of Shopify for only $1 per month. So you've now signed up for Shopify, but there is one important thing that we don't want to miss before we begin designing our store. Before we get started, let's make sure we activate our 3-month extended trial by choosing a plan. You can do this by clicking select a plan here at the top or going to the bottom and clicking this little black box here. I'll click into this and click on select a plan. Now for most people, the basic plan will be plenty, so I just go with this. I'll click on select basic here. And now you'll fill in your payment information on this screen here. I've now filled in my payment information, and here on the right-hand side, I'll click on subscribe. Go ahead and let that load here. All right, now we're successfully subscribed, and here you can fill out your business address if you'd like to. In my case, I'm going to click on add later for now.